Hi, this is John Demick from MuleSoft Services. JSON is a popular way to exchange data between applications. Working with JSON outside of JavaScript, however, can be challenging. With Java projects, for example, developers typically work on Java collections or instances of domain objects. Working with JSON directly from Java can be tricky until it's converted to one of these formats. Let's see how Mule's JSON module makes it easy to transform JSON to a Java collection instance or an instance of a domain object. I'll start with an existing project in Mule Studio. I'll be adding two flows to this project. Both will accept line item data as JSON and persist it to a MySQL database. The first flow will convert the JSON to an instance of a map. The second flow will convert the JSON to an instance of a domain object, which I'll persist with a Java component using Hibernate. I'll start by selecting an HTTP endpoint to create a flow. I'll double-click on the endpoint to configure it. Here I'll change the exchange pattern to be one way and set the path. Now I need to add a JSON to object transformer to convert the JSON string to a Java object. I'll double-click on the transformer to set the return type, which in this case will be a hash map. Next, I need to add a JDBC outbound endpoint. I'll configure the endpoint to use an existing JDBC connector. Now I'll create an insert statement using the map payload and the Mule expression language. The price, SKU, and quantity map keys will be used to populate the insert statement. Now let's run the flow. Mule started OK. Let's take a look at the JSON I'm going to post. You can see the price, SKU number, and quantity. These will be the map keys after the JSON transformer returns its payload. Now I'll use curl to post the JSON to Mule. Let's check MySQL and make sure the row is inserted. It's often desirable to work directly with the domain model instead of the collections class.